Esta é a trilha de rádio do Set Experience Academy com o módulo Rádio Digital DRM. Nesse segmento, nós vamos conhecer a ferramenta de cálculo de eficiência energética para as transmissões, como o DRM pode economizar energia.
I'll give you just an example. This is not in shortwave, but in medium wave. In analog, let's assume we have a 100 kilowatt medium wave transmitter, one service, one program, and the efficiency of this is about 72%. And the power this transmitter consumes is 142 kilowatt. Now, the same transmitter in DRM uses 40 kilowatt DRM, 50, we put it in the diagram, but it offers you up to 3 services, 3 programs, 3 channels, plus multimedia. And the efficiency is also about 80%. So more efficient, same coverage or larger coverage, and definitely more content for the listeners. Great advantage. Now, a lot of people say energy savings, how much? How much is it? And we have created the energy efficiency calculator, which is a tool created by the DRM Consortium, which you can have access and you can calculate exactly how much you save on your particular transmitter. And it doesn't apply just to AM, but also to FM. And I have a little video to explain it, or one of my colleagues, Simon Keynes from Ampegon, will explain how this actually works.
Hi, my name is Simon Keynes, and on behalf of the DRM Consortium, welcome to this short video to explain how to use the DRM Energy Efficiency Calculator tool. The calculator tool is hosted online. Instructions explaining how to gain access to your own personal version can be found on the DRM website, www.drm.org. When you first open the calculator tool, an online Excel spreadsheet will appear in your web browser. The tool calculates the energy and cost savings possible by switching radio transmitters from analog to digital DRM broadcasts. FM, medium wave and shortwave techniques are included. This video, along with the instructions, will guide you. The first tab is the Instructions tab. You can refer back to these for guidance if you get confused. Firstly, users should ensure that the calculator spreadsheet can be modified, either by clicking on the Viewing option and choosing Editing mode, or by selecting Edit Workbook in the taskbar. The calculator tool consists of a Data Input tab, a Report Generator tab, and other functional tabs for completing calculations. Initially, if you click on them, they will appear empty with errors and look strange. This is normal until the calculator tool has some data to analyze. If you click on the yellow Data Input tab, some yellow data cells need to be filled in. Completing these with information about the broadcaster and their location, the local currency, a 3-letter code, and the electricity costs is the first task. We're going to complete this report for the fictional broadcaster Integria National Radio, based in Digitalia Integria. There, electricity costs 11 US cents per kilowatt hour. Once this is done, you should select whether you wish to output a report with an environmental or economic focus. Both sets of information will be shown in the output report, but the graphics will be presented with the requested focus. Then, please enter the number of transmitters you'd like to consider in your network. Practically, there's a limit of 10 transmitters simultaneously. Practically, there's a limit of 10 transmitters simultaneously to prevent numbers becoming too big. But if you need more, you can create multiple reports for different regions or sections. We're going to consider Integria National Radio's 9 transmitters. You will notice that entering a number here has opened up the corresponding number of entries for transmitter data. Now we can select the type of transmitters currently broadcasting, their average analog RF power in kilowatts, and the percentage of the time spent broadcasting in a typical year. In this case, I'm going to complete the table for Integria's 5 local FM transmitters, each broadcasting 10 kilowatts around the clock, so 100% of the time. Then we can add the 3 regional 100 kilowatt medium wave transmitters, broadcasting about 75% of the time. And then the national 300 kilowatt shortwave transmitter, which broadcasts about 70% of the time. You will notice that this data has been combined with typical transmitter efficiency data supplied by a number of manufacturers for analog and DRM operation, and the equivalent output power for the same digital coverage in each case. That's most of the hard work done. Now, if we click on the blue Executive Summary tab, you will see that the calculator tool has completed a 3-page broadcaster-specific report, consisting of a summary sheet, a detailed report, and an explanation of the calculations so that they might be independently verified. This report can be saved to PDF so that it can be emailed and distributed, and also printed if required. Saving and printing options can be found here. Note that formatting has been optimized to fit A4 paper. If other paper sizes or layouts are used, the report will appear incorrectly formatted. Finally, the Calculations tab provides a summary of all the calculations used to prepare the Executive Summary report. These are shown for the purposes of transparency, so that users might check the calculated values against their own independent calculations, and also to be able to understand how the calculations are done in the spreadsheet from the formulas seen in the taskbar. Users cannot make changes on this tab, nor on the Do Not Change tab, which contains functional options and a history log. The DRM Consortium hope that this tool will be useful in confirming how digital DRM broadcasting can make transmissions greener and cheaper, offering superior quality, more content and additional functions, while reducing energy consumption and costs. If you need any assistance or have any feedback, please email projectoffice@drm.org and we'll get back to you. Thank you for your interest in DRM.
Okay, so here it is. You can write to us and get your own tool, or you can visit the site, the video on our website. So remember, this is a new thing. Try it out.
Thank you very much, Ruxandra and Alexander, our good friends from DRM Consortium.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. We are grateful to you, and we are ready to come to Brazil and help you roll out DRM. Thank you. Obrigado.
E assim nós concluímos esse módulo DRM Rádio Digital da Trilha 7 Rádio do Set Experience Academy. Obrigado.